I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me cause we
What's up? It's me coming to you guys again with another episode of the Transitioning Chronicles. Basically a series of videos documenting how I'm feeling in this point, period, day of my transition. It might be happy, sad, frustrated. It depends on, you know, how I'm feeling. And I don't know if you guys can already guess, but today I'm happy.
Walk it like I talk it, 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 walk it like I talk it.
I'm happy. Okay, let me stop because I don't really like this song. Yeah, so I'm feeling really good. I just deep conditioned my hair and it's coming to life, sis. It might not look like it right now, but my hair has been into French braids for the week. So I've really been keeping my hands out of my head and just had everything slicked back. Really easy when you're in the gym, just really simple. I just put a head on and I go, sis, because my French braiding skills ain't all that. So yeah, that's basically how I've been feeling. But as of right now today, and I wet my hair and I put that conditioner in my hair and I seen my curls just come back to life. I really got all happy and stuff because I feel like me and my curls are in a state of like jail. I feel like they're in jail, and you know, I just visit them every now and then, and you know, you get happy when you see them, sis. So let me just give y'all a snippet of how I feel like my relationship is right now with my curls. Oh hey, nice to see you. You been doing all right? They been taking care of you in there? You been having enough to eat, enough to drink? Good, good, good. I see you looking good. You still, you know, you bouncing back. I see you doing good. You ain't letting it keep you down. Yeah, man, you are not letting them ends keep you down. All right, then. I see you looking good, you know. Stay up. I'll be back to see you in a couple days. All right, until next time. One. I know, I'm dramatic, but I really feel like they in jail, but it's all good because I know they're being taken care of. I know they're not thirsty. I know they're not breaking. It's just, even when I washed my hair, detangled before I deconditioned versus after when I rinsed it out, and it's literally like not a big difference at all. I haven't been experiencing like shit and it kind of creeps me out or make me feel like something's going terribly wrong. I'll insert a little picture because I took a picture and put it on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Prettywitty77 across the board. But I really haven't been losing much hair, and I'm glad right now at this point. You really can't even see my curls because my hair is going to go into a bun, sis. But I'm really happy. So yeah, although I have a lot going on, a lot of textures going on. If you want to see, if you haven't already seen the video where I kind of show you my textures, my different textures throughout my hair, feel free to click on the link on the cards, or you can also check it out in the description box. But yeah, that's kind of where I am right now. Most of my Texlex hair, chemically processed hair, is still kind of towards the center of my head. So yeah, sis, I'm happy, and I hope you guys are really dealing with your transition good, in a positive way, and you know, treating that line of demarcation really gentle, because like, if you love your hair gonna love you back. You know, sometimes it might act up, but like, I don't know. But that's kind of where I am today, sis. I feel like my hair's in jail. So I'm really excited. This series is just so funny because I know it's gonna be so full of emotions and like crazy stuff like that. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and as always, subscribe to my channel. I thought I was gonna forget, but subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again here in the next video. Ciao.
that was that, so I can't be beefing with no whack. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your raps though, but your shit look like the trap.